Summer is in full swing and it's about to hit triple digits where I live. Let me show you how I get my makeup to last all day. Keep it looking fresh. With mature skin, you gotta be careful. You don't wanna add too much makeup, too much powder. You're gonna get a cakey look. It's gonna make your skin look dry. It's not gonna look good. First things first, skin prep. In the mornings, my face is cleansed, serums. I also always add my go-to Supergoop Glowscreen, moisturizer, makeup primer, as well as sunscreen. Let all of my skincare set for at least 10 minutes before I start my makeup routine. This just ensures that everything is sunk into my skin, nothing is sitting on top, and I'm gonna get the benefit of all those products that I laid down. If you're on the oilier side, I would add the extra step of e.l.f. Power Grip or Milk Hydro Grip. They're, to me, the same product. This one's much better priced. Usually in the T-zone, that's definitely where makeup would break up first. I use e.l.f. Halo Glow in a little bit of a deeper tone. This is what I use to fake my tan with. I do not like to put self-tanner on my face. All it does is make my hyperpigmentation stand out. This product is great for faking that glow. Slightly buff it around. So this technique works with any foundation that you like. So I'm gonna use today one of the glowiest and most serum-based foundations that I own, which is the Saie Beauty. It is number 14. And I'm just gonna use one pump. This is got a lot of serum in it, so it's definitely more of a light coverage. So we're just going to press this in, blend all over the face. I'm using a light, fluffy brush. So I have it all sheared out over the face, and now I'm gonna come in with Give's Pick It Up Contour and Bronzer Combo. Colors Smokin' Cream Contour. And tap and press that into the skin. This contour is so beautiful. It is new from Give. It is so blendable. And what I love about it is sometimes cream contours get patchy and splotchy on me, and this just stays exactly how I put it all day. Using a very fluffy brush, I'm going to come into the bronzer. Pea-size amount of Ultra Fair shade of HausLabs Triclone Foundation, and we're going to use that for our concealer and brightener. Coming back in with the foundation brush, and I'm just tapping over that just to make sure it's all blended. So one of my tricks for making makeup last all day is I set my makeup twice. And I'm not saying baking, but I'm setting, so it's a little bit different. Use your favorite finely milled translucent powder. I love Baked by Elli. I'm going to take my absolute fluffiest brush. We're doing a dabbing and pressing motion all over. My brush is so fluffy, it's laying down the finest amount to get my eyelids because it helps my eyeshadow blend really easily. Pick your favorite setting spray. Right now I'm using the All Nighter Vitamin C. I prefer the original, but I bought it, so we're using it. Make sure it gets completely dry before you move on. Okay, before I do my gloss, I'm going to set with powder. Again, I'm using Elli Baked, and we're gonna tap, and we're doing another light layer all over. So I'm gonna do one more layer of setting spray. I like to use setting spray last because it brings back that glowy look, which I like. If you want to make a more matte look, spray it, dry it, and then do your powder. Personally, I'm all about the glow. I just want to come a little closer so you can see I still have glow. I've set twice. I think my makeup looks amazing. The only other product that I recommend that you use during the day, this is GlowSetting by Supergoop. It's SPF 35. Reapplying sunscreen is key to keep from burning if you're going to be out in the sun. But I love it because it also freshens my makeup. So you could just tap this on and it just adds the lightest little bit of sheen. I tap it on all over, maintains my glow. It's adding some oil control. It's not disturbing my makeup, and I get my SPF reapplied. I use this probably at least twice a day if I'm out and about. Fits in my purse. I just love this stuff.